With the new Python-Blosc2 release, now you can register user-defined filters and codecs in the Blosc2 pipeline as pure Python. The Blosc2 pipeline includes all the functions that are applied to the data until it is finally compressed. During compression, the first function that can be applied to the data is the prefilter, then the filters pipeline, and last but not least, the codec itself. For decompressing, the order will be the other way around. All these functions are applied to a superjunk and are executed for each data block. The prefilters and postfilters receive three parameters: input, output, and offset. Input is a numpy array containing the original data. Output is an empty numpy array that must be filled. And offset indicates where the corresponding block begins inside the superjunk container. On the one hand, user-defined filters are composed by two functions, one for the compression process forward and another one for the decompression process backward. Such functions receive the input and output as numpy arrays of equal size, plus the filter meta and the superjunk instance. The forward function will fill the output with the modified data from input. The backward will be responsible of reversing the changes done by forward. Finally, you can register the filter associating an ID to it with the register filter function and apply it in your superjunk using its ID in the filters pipeline. On the other hand, user-defined codecs work similar, but they can make output smaller than input, as their goal is to actually compress data. So the corresponding functions, in this case encoder and decoder, will need to return the size in bytes of the compressed or decompressed data respectively. You can register and use it in a similar way as the filters. We have seen how easily you can define your own filters and codecs for the Blosc2 compression pipeline. Now you can start experimenting with different filters or compression algorithms straight from Python. You can even come with a library of such filters and codecs that can be used in all your data pipeline processing. Welcome to Compression Made Easy.